In this video, we're going to talk battery replacement. There are 3 batteries located here in the controller that need to be changed each year right at the 1-year mark. You'll know it's time to complete this maintenance step when your machine notifies you. If it is time to change the batteries in your PALADIN, you'll first want to make sure it's powered up. To begin, press the settings icon. Next to servo battery life remaining, you'll notice a bar displaying the status of your batteries. This blue status bar indicates that the batteries are good to go. A white bar indicates there's no battery life remaining. An alert at the top of the screen will notify you when it's time to change the batteries. To replace the batteries, move to the back of the controller. Unlock the door with a flathead screwdriver. Next, bypass the safety handle by pushing in on this tiny button with a pen or other small pointy device and pull the door open. Located here are 2 of the 3 batteries you'll change. The batteries are concealed by a cover. To access them, squeeze in on both sides of each cover and pull them out. Once the batteries are exposed, swap out the old ones for new and place the battery and cover back into position. Be sure that your machine is still turned on during this step. The 3rd battery that needs to be changed is located at the top. First, unlock the door and lift it open. A flathead screwdriver disengages the 2 latches. This is where you'll find the battery. Push in on this tab to release and replace. Your final step is to reset the battery life monitor. Select Reset. Then confirm that you want to reset the battery life monitor by selecting Yes. And with that, you have now successfully changed the batteries in your PALADIN. But if you do have any questions along the way, remember that you can contact the BBM Machine Technical Support Team at 502-890-0463 or visit bbmmachine.com.